Saturday morning, January 17th. In this video, we're going to be cleaning this thing up. Got it for $5 at an estate sale on Wednesday. It's a 7-4624. The pause there was because I was looking at the viewfinder instead of the actual number. Anyway, let's get it apart. If I'm reading that date code correctly, it's from 1988. Belonged to the late Miss Melissa King. Well, I think she's late. I don't know if she's alive or still or not. Anyway, I'm breaking into it now. Made in Malaysia. The door for that's gone, so that sucks. At least it works on like that pile of crap capacitor plague VCR. Screws are out. We have the GE Super Radio. All its blurriness. Let's get this thing apart now. Well, that was fairly easy. The last one that I had, the one I still have, that's my alarm clock currently. Oh. What the hell? Oh, that's nice. Where did this go? Huh, pressed up against something. Oh, speaking of that, these buttons just press up against that contact. TAM radio transformer, just like the last one. That's made by Marvel. Don't know what those chips are. Yeah, just gonna take that, and that off for a cleaning. That's not having a good time coming off. No, we don't need to blow that off. It's going in the kitchen sink to be scrubbed with a toothbrush. Oh, and that part right there just slides out. I see that right now. Let me set the camera down. It's going to take a bit of finagling. This one's different. It has these tabs. So I'm going to have to pull those up gently and pull the plastic part out. Oh, it came out just fine. We're getting there. Still wet, but it looks a lot cleaner now. There goes the neighbor. Apparently this also had lights on that are really bright. Even when you have the blackout curtains. I always want to say knockout curtains. So yeah, I dusted off the speaker and blew it off with the blower. Okay, the top part is back together, and I forgot to mention I used contact cleaner on the switches and on the volume. Wondering about that baked piece of plastic and where it goes. It goes over the power transformer. It was made on the 51st week of 1987. This was made in 88. That's for the date code. And yeah, it's just an off-the-shelf part, that TAM radio transformer. It's 1 minute slow. And the battery's kind of low, and I still haven't found the OEM battery that came with this thing. So I'm using my Star battery charger that I put into the battery. Put the charger into the vise, which you should not do with the battery. I use my Batmax, because I got that just for the charger, because I had this hooked up via USB and you don't charge it that way. So, needless to say, it wouldn't charge and I thought it was dead, so I bought new batteries and it came with a charger, which is good. Just need to find and stupid me, I forget to keep the clip going, and there's no issues with the needle. Cool, so I can put it back together now. It's 8 o'clock, we're done. It smells like rotten freaking potato chips in here. Still works, of course. This thing can get 92.1 FM, which is impressive. Get it better on there. But for this, it's pretty damn good. It's impressive. Anyway, let's talk about clock radio some more. The first one I ever got. No, the one I got at the second estate sale I ever went to. The first one I actually bought something and filmed some Defiance video was that. It loses time. It's a Chronomatic 213. So it's going to be on display here in the garage. Oh, that's weird. I saw this in the corner of my eye and it looked like it said L. So that's kind of weird. Anyway. Whoa. Make sure it's not turned up when you put it on. Like, turned up all the way. I'm going to redo the videos of the Super Radio and the Sony Radio, because this has a stable microphone, and the one from my dead phone that got executed is no more. Still have some old videos I'll be putting out, filmed with that. So you can see it says 7 in the camera. Funny. When it's almost shut off, it says 7. Oh, it doesn't do it all the time. Now it quit doing it. Weird. Anyway.
Stories. Earth's climate getting catastrophically harder, faster. Greenhouse pollution increasing again.
Yeah, this is the coldest winter ever. Surprised it didn't snow.
Democratic Senator Chris Coons reinforced the importance of NATO.
What a racist name. You should change it. Just kidding, of course. Don't know what station that is. It's 92.5. Playing GNR like they do every day. Oh, what the hell's wrong with me? The Lone Star 92.5, since one of the days I was hanging out in here, started to sound low bit rate, like a 96K MP3. The highs sound kind of soupy sounding. Listen. What the hell?
Metro surge began in November. While
Keep the
President
news
Trump
on
holds
for
off on
seconds.
invoking the Insurrection Act in Minnesota for now, he welcomes a European ally to his home in Florida today.
Insurrection erection.
To encourage you. Positive.
This kind of sucks, like that one. Good for you. Oh, let's fix the flashing here. Just pick a random. Is there a switch that says time slash? No, there's not. Just press hour. No, that's easy. Hell, let's set the right time. Well, we don't have to, but it's 8:04. Because we're going to run out of battery soon. Or there's a line through the battery, but the camcorder will keep recording for 30 minutes. Over 30 minutes once. Just kept going. Aftermarket battery.
Crumb's invention became one of the most iconic snacks in the world. He also went on to open his own restaurant, Crumb's House. Here's
It's kind of sticky, the tuner.
.1, the Eagles tonight at
This
9
thing kinda
o'clock is gonna
sucks.
be our 2026 iHeartRadio
Used to
Ultra
hear it
Eagle
does.
presented by Capital One at the Kia Forum.
the free iHeartRadio app is the
It's a 4 or 5% return on their money.
It's good for casual listening. Video over. And now we're installed. End of video.